Hey guys, welcome back and welcome to my studio. I am so excited. I got the studio. This is actually my office. I still live at home. Also, I realized that the mic was off the whole time, so I'm just gonna do voiceover for a little bit. And I'm so grateful that God has given me the opportunity to have this space, because honestly, I've been needing a space where, it's just organized, a space where I can feel creative, because honestly, I love home, but it's just not doing it. Like, I get distracted. It's just too much. So this is gonna be like my creative studio, where you're gonna be seeing this a lot. In order to have like a fresh start, I wanted to deep clean everything, because honestly, when they gave me the keys, I felt like it was not as clean. So I just was like, let me just deep clean it. I'm also gonna share with you some cleaning tips I have learned over the years, and I'm still learning, but these tips have changed the way I clean. I love when my environment is clean. So what better way to clean and deep clean on a clean slate? So let's get started. Okay, first thing, I'm gonna start from the bathroom, and then I'm gonna go out. Or is it better to do out there and then the bathroom? The only reason I'm doing the bathroom first is I need stuff to sit. There's like a spray that I put in the corners and like in the shower, and it needs to stay for like 10 to 20 minutes. So I can let that sit while I do the rest of the stuff, which is not a lot. It's just disinfecting, cleaning the dishwasher, and then going out there sweeping. I'm also gonna clean the board. I opened the window, so that's why it's loud. I don't want none of the fumes, making me crazy. So I have to open the windows just to like air things out. I also turned off the AC, just so I'm not, wasting anything. You see, it's teaching me lessons. I'm learning a lot of lessons, but let's get started. One thing I learned about cleaning is most odors come from sinks, pipes, and just stuff that like constantly has water. It just tends to grow mold, mildew, everything. So my focus was really to focus on that, because there was a stench when I first came in, and it smelled like old water, kind of like mildew, but I wanted to get rid of that. So my focus was really the sink, and the best way to do that is to really clean under it. I had lemon. I should have cut it up and put it there, but I put baking soda, vinegar. It kind of helps it really clean down there. But also, I've been loving the Scrub Daddy. Shout out to Nikki, Side of Cleaning TikTok. If you know, you know. I also have been trying to switch to more natural things. But one thing I've just learned is that using natural things just doesn't clean as much as like regular Lysol or all-purpose sprays. So I just went with this lemon Lysol. I literally use this for almost everything. But you know what? Maybe I haven't done enough research. So if you know any really good natural cleaners, let me know, because I would love that. I just haven't found one that actually cleans. Speaking of natural and chemical cleaners, never ever mix vinegar and bleach. It creates this gas that's not good for us. That's one thing I have learned in the past few years. I wonder if I've ever mixed vinegar and bleach, but thank God spared me. Also, I was thinking about this, but when I was younger, I hated cleaning. So if you don't know, I went to a residential school, not Canadian residential. It's just like a school where I lived there, almost like a boarding school, but not really. Most of the year, me and my sisters, we lived there, and we would have jobs. And one year I had like toilets, one year I had, cleaning baseboards, and I would hate it. But until I had my own space, now I love it, because it's like, if my environment's clean, I get things done. It just helps with my mental health. I feel better, so I love when my environment's clean. When I was in college, I would clean, and I'm like, where did this cleaning come from? But it's something that you learn when you're younger, that you grow up and you're like, oh, I know why we clean now. So I got this Clorox toilet bombs from Target, and I actually didn't know how it's supposed to work. So I just put it in the toilet. It wasn't foaming up or nothing like that. So I was confused. I cleaned it, but I felt like I was just swishing water everywhere. What you're actually supposed to do is put it in the back of the toilet, which I didn't know. So I'm definitely going to be going back to get an actual toilet cleaner. Also, going back to the residential school we went to, I feel like that's one reason why I'm still at home. I feel like I didn't get the average time, spending time with my parents. So until God gives me the green light to move out, I think I'm just gonna stay there. But I needed my creative studio, so I am so glad I have this. But I'm also glad I get to go back home. So that's the reason why I'm still at home and not fully moved out, like with my own apartment. Just wanted to add that.
After 2 or 3 hours, I'm finally done. I am sweating. I can't wait to go take a shower at home. But I'm done cleaning. I did the floors, the bathroom, the kitchen, just different things. And it was kind of different because I feel like, you know those moments in life where you're like, I have never done this. This is like new. Like I have cleaned before, but it just feels like it's my own, which I'm just so happy about. But now it smells good. Like before when I came in, I don't know if I explained it to you. When the lady was giving me the tour, actually the keys, I toured a different unit, so I didn't tour this exact one because someone was leaving. And when I toured the other one, I was like, oh, it's pretty clean. When I came here, it had like this smell, like old water, like this funk mildew. But thank God it's gone because I cleaned and I like got into like crevices. I had a bunch of different cleaners, but I made sure not to mix bleach and vinegar because if you mix bleach and vinegar, it causes like this fumes that's not good for us. So don't mix vinegar and bleach. So like I try to keep the natural stuff, the natural, and I only had one bleach for the shower floors. I thought it was mildew or mold. I sprayed it, it's not, it's just the color, which I don't like, but look at that. Now I feel ready and prepped to like decorate, put the carpet, the couches. I already know how to decorate it. Like I have like this vision of like simple, cozy, or if you know like wabi-sabi and japandi, which is basically like Japanese interior design, that, but just inspiration. It's not gonna be exactly wabi-sabi or japandi. It's just gonna be like a mix of something where I want this place to feel cozy, but also not too much, not too crowded. I wanna have like a workspace desk right there where I can edit, do admin work. I want the couch right here, plants, a bunch of different lights. Like I want it to be the same exact tone of lights, but like, you know, different shapes and lamps. I'm so excited to decorate. I turned off the AC so it's extra hot, but I did leave the windows open to like take out all the cleaning fumes. But I'm so glad this place is clean. It smells 100 times better. Like I left, so, you know, clear it out, air it out. My lungs and like everything that I was breathing in. I went outside for like a little bit. When I came back, it smells so good. It smells like lemon. I wanted to stay consistent, so most of the products you saw was like lemon based. Like the Swiffer I got for the wood, it was lemon. The Lysol is lemon. Like just different things, because I want this place to smell like citrus, lemony. I'm also gonna add like a little bit of fall decorations. I love fall, but I also think, in my opinion, like Halloween decoration is a little too tacky, but I love like fall and autumn decoration. I'm just excited to decorate, that's why I'm at it. But I'm so grateful that I have a space like this. Like I'm just so excited to where it's gonna take me. Like if I have a space like this, that means I'm gonna be more creative, keeping up with more things. I have a couple of things I'm working on, which I'm so excited. I'm just so happy, grateful that God has given me space like this. But now I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna pick up my sister because she's done with class, take a shower, relax, do some maintenance. I'm gonna do my hair. As you can see, I left it in a bun. I'm gonna do wash day. Thanks so much for watching. This is my first time cleaning, which I'm excited. I'm gonna do more cleaning videos. Let me know if you wanna see any other videos that like I haven't done. And also, if you have any recommendation for furniture, where to get it, like for rugs, couches, plants, like I've been looking for an olive tree. But thanks so much for watching and come again.